Deleting the favourite position on the Louvolite battery motor. Open the battery cover on the remote. Move to the favourite position to delete. Hold set on the remote until you get a response. If you accidentally delete the upper or lower limit, the blind will use the closest favourite position as the new upper or lower limit. If you want to add a new favourite position, search our channel for Louvolite Set Favourite Position.
If we've helped you, please help us by hitting that free subscribe button to find us easier next time. Won't cost you anything, but will most certainly help us a lot. We're not just a YouTube channel, we are real people making real products. Speedy Blinds is a super quick blinds and curtains manufacturer in Melbourne, and we don't muck around. If you're after a Speedy supplier or have any questions, please get in contact with us and we can do our best to help you.